Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Inkem, and how are you guys doing? So in today's video I'm going to show you guys a really quick and cute hairstyle you can make from the comfort of your home. Like, you can do this hairstyle yourself, and it is inexpensive and it is super quick to make. It takes you less than it took me less than an hour to make this hairstyle, so you can do this hairstyle within an hour or more than an hour if you're just, if you're a beginner. So this hairstyle is really quick. This is what I'm going to show you guys in today's video, so please keep on watching and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. Also turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upload, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up after watching this video and leave your comments in the comment section. Also, please share this video to as many people as you feel needs this kind of video. Just share it to them and really appreciate it a lot. Also, thank you guys so much for the support so far. Like, we're heading to 130k subscribers already. Like I am short of words, guys. Like, the support, the love you guys are showing me on this channel is massive, and I'm super grateful to each and every one of you that have watched, subscribed, liked, commented, like everything. I am so grateful to you guys and I appreciate it a lot. Let's keep this going and let's get to 130k subscribers. Okay, so I'm just doing my cornrow now. I'm doing a really simple all back cornrow, and I have like, say, 15 or 16 cornrows here. And after doing my cornrows, I'm going to use my crochet hook to just tuck in my hair inside the cornrows before I start, doing this hair. For the braid extension that I use, I have color 30, which is a major color, and I have this mixture here that I've done this video before on my channel, like the colors I used to achieve this color. I've done it before on my channel, so I'm going to link that video somewhere up here, or I'm going to just leave it in the description box. So my braid extension, I cut it into 4, and then I'm just going to stretch it and then brush it out to have a pencil mat. And then I'm going to start mixing my mist color and my color 30 together. So I'm just going to mix the two colors, or I'm going to mix the colors together before I start doing my crochet. And after mixing it, this is a combination, or this is the color I have here. It's so beautiful. So this is the crochet hook I'm using. This is a big size of the crochet hook. I'm going to take a little section of the braid extension and then start crocheting it to my hair. So after taking this section, I'm just going to grab my crochet hook, pass it through my hair, open it up, and then put the braid extension in the hook and then close it up, pass it through my hair again, and then start tying. I'm going to tie it twice, like, so that it will be secured. And if you tie once, when you're brushing it out, you discover that the braid extension will be going out of the hair, so you just need to tie twice so that it will be very secured. I'm going to just let you guys watch this whole process of crocheting it, because like, I've been doing a lot of crochet on my channel, so this is not new to my to my old subscribers or to those watching my videos. This is not new, so I'm just going to show you guys how I make my crochet, and then just enjoy this video, guys. And do not forget to like this video if you've not done that already. It is really helpful to the video and to my channel. Please hit that like button and leave your comment in the comment section. And if you've not subscribed yet, also subscribe to my channel. When crocheting your braid extension to your hair, one thing you should have in mind is you don't want your hair to be showing, like you don't want your cornrows to be seen after you finish making this hair. So the spacing you will give will determine if the hair will be full or it will be just scanty, and it also depends on how you want it to be. If you want it to be really really full, then you should space accordingly. But if you want it to be scanty, then the gap you should be leaving should be like enough to make your hair really scanty and not too full. And at the end also, you should also make sure that your cornrows are not showing. So for the front part of this hair, what I'm going to do is I'm going for a center part. You guys can see I'm going for a center part. I'm going to take my crochet hook and pass it through my hair, and then put the braid extension on it, and just pass it through my hair. Now I will open up the braid extension and take only one part of the braid extension and just tie. And after tying, I'm just going to put the rest back and then use my clip to hold it up so that it will relax. So that's just what you need to do for this front part. I'm going to repeat this process again so you guys can see what I did here, or what I'm doing. So I'm going to repeat the process again. Now the reason why I'm using the clip to hold this, that it will make you relax, but I'm going to show you guys how to properly make sure that this part, or this front part, lay really flat without moving anywhere. Like it will not move after I'm showing you guys this method I used to lay it really flat. So just keep on watching. After making the front part, I noticed that the back is still open, so I'm going to fill that up when I am done making this hair. And I'm going for a bob kind of look. I'm just going to cut the length I want, and it's not like the short type of bob, so I'm just going to cut it a little bit long. And if you want to make this yourself, you're making this yourself and you cannot, or you don't know how to cut to get this really nice sharp looking bob, you can get somebody to do it for you. And after cutting the bob, now it is time for me to just straighten up the hair. And to make my patterns really like flat, I'm just going to use the hot iron to make it come down. I'm just using the hot iron to just flatten it up. This will just make it not to move, like without the pin, without the clips, just flatten it up. And then this is what I have. Now the heat I'm using is on a very low heat, the lowest in temperature here. And after doing that, this is what I have, and this is really gorgeous and simple. You can rock this hairstyle to virtually anywhere you want to go to. And this is how gorgeous this hair is looking. I love the length, I love the color, and just everything about this hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Please leave your comment in the comment section and subscribe. Also give me a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Show me loving. I need your loving.